Hello family, it's Jim Hawkins again. Today's Thursday, January 22nd, 2026. I was listening to several people in the last few days and I was compiling some ideas. I'm going to name this, or I'm going to entitle this, While We're Waiting. So in the last 2 months, I'm going to say probably from November to December, and certainly through January, we've all been patiently waiting for Ash to release this Victory with Ash. I don't know if you recall, but back in probably the late summer, we did a questionnaire or an application for getting into Victory with Ash. And one of the things that was brought up was a question that said, are you willing to wait? And a lot of people, I don't know how you all responded, but obviously one of the questions was are you willing to wait as long as it takes? And a lot of us, I don't know if you recall, again, as a human, we have short-term memories sometimes, but if you recall that, we are in that phase of waiting as long as it takes. I believe Ash's reasoning for this, for being silent. A lot of people are asking, we haven't heard from Ash. Is Ash still there? Did Ash leave? Ash has not left. If you listen to Chris Johnson, Chris sounds like he talks to Ash on a regular basis, and Ash is just very busy. If you remember how things went in the former company, Ash released a lot of information out, probably more than he probably should have. And again, we learned some lessons from doing that. I don't want to get into some of my previous videos, shared this information, but you don't want to release too much information, because there are other companies out there that are already somewhat established, and they may not have had an idea that Ash and his team may have created or come up with, and it would be very easy for that other business to basically steal the idea and prepare it. They could do whatever they want with it. But if Ash Mufara has anything to do with it, it's going to be top-notch, 100%. Everything should be working properly. Those other companies, we just don't want to do that. So again, silence is golden here. You can't rush things. There's things that we would like to hear. We'd like to see Ash more often. But again, when we don't see Ash, it's probably good that he's not releasing any kind of information or ideas or things that he's got prepared for us. So with that, again, while we're waiting, let me recommend a few things here. A lot of us, or some of us, are doing videos. Again, I don't do live videos. It's really kind of hard for me to do a live. I just don't know when I'm going to have the time or be not awake enough, but just worn down. But the times that I do, again, I haven't made a video in probably for about a week or so. I think last Monday a week ago. Again, just to share with you, there are things that we can do to keep ourselves busy during this time while we're waiting. I'm going to give some examples, and I'm going to bring some names in here too. First and foremost, Redfern is constantly, on almost a daily basis, he is picking out topics, and he researches them, and he studies what that topic is, and he pretty much every day. Again, he's been pretty busy, but again, I think he's starting to ease up on some of the jobs and some of the tasks that he's doing. But he researches and he brings us this good information. Generally, it's positive, something that we can put or apply towards ourselves, and we can look at ourselves with that particular topic and see if we again, are strong in that or weak in that area. So again, that's what Red does. You've got several people, Gina Leva, Megan Mitchell, Sherry Dershowitz now is getting pretty regular with putting videos out. I applaud them. And it's not, it's more, it's ideas that they think about and they ponder, and they wanted to share with us the information. And again, that information that they put out is for us to consider if it kind of shared experiences maybe that have something to do with what we've experienced in our lives. And again, we all share a lot of the similarities in life. A lot of us are still working. Some of us are retired, lucky. Sorry. My phone is getting some alerts here from messages. Anyway, what I'm trying to say is there are things that you can do to occupy your time. Again, one of the things that I like to do is try to be creative and do the same. I try to share information. Certainly when the updates come, I'll switch from that to more of the updates. But for right now, I'm just trying to be positive and be supportive while we're waiting. Because there are things that we can do during this time. If you don't have a job, perhaps you spend a lot of time thinking. But I will share, there are many things that you can do, for creativity. I apologize, I don't know how to pronounce his last name, but his name is Brian. I'm gonna probably slaughter this. I apologize, Brian. Crowich. He is he's like a video master, like an AI video master, and he is constantly putting out videos that are very positive. They're somewhat entertaining, but the messages are very towards Victory with Ash and appreciation for people for their birthdays, for just singling them out for thanks, for gratitude. But there are things that he's doing. I wish I had that skill. I don't have that skill, but maybe someday in the future, Brian may have a job with Victory with Ash and the future company for his talents. Again, he's very creative, and all I'm saying is I'm sharing this information to you just to put some creativity. YouTube, I wasn't a YouTuber at all before this, and I've seemed to have found a little niche for myself, and hopefully for some people that like to listen to what I have to say. Again, Red titled me way early, probably about 2 years ago now. I'm the normal guy. I am a normal guy. I'm not wealthy. I'm not a doctor. I'm not a lawyer. I'm a mailman in the United States, and I was prior military, and I've got some skills from that are characteristic skills, not like what's that movie? I can't think of the movie. Liam Neeson, I believe, is the one that did it. But I have good characteristic skills that are helpful for leadership. And again, I'm just trying to share that out to you. You have them as well. They might not be as brushed up, but I encourage you that there are things that we can do during this time, as like I said, as we're waiting. Again, Ash was hoping to roll this out around the first of the year. Again, here we are a little beyond midway through January. But I encourage you, do not be upset. Don't be mad. There are things that we just don't see. And it's really not our place to push, to ask. Like I said, push Ash. There's no reason to, Ash is battling things that are bigger that we understand. And for the leaders and for some of the members of Victory with Ash already are pushing Ash to release information or give us an update. And I would encourage, again, don't push, don't rush. I've said this a couple times. Diamonds are not made overnight. There's a whole big process of cutting and measuring, and when it's all said and done, they turn out beautiful. They're spectacular. They're worth a lot of money, and we are in that situation with Victory with Ash. We're being molded. We're being brushed and polished and cut and measured, and again, we're going to be the diamonds here. And Ash is the one that's, when this begins, we're going to start, that's where we're being polished and brushed. Pretty soon we'll be the leaders, and we'll start to teach what information that we gather from Victory with Ash to share out with our circles. And again, we're just all going to be successful at some point, but there's no sense in going back to some of the old practices that we had with the former business. Again, we got to look for the future. We got to look for positivity, keep away from the negative. There are still people that are not very faithful or loyal to Ash, and they do make comments, and unfortunately a lot of the former leaders are just not around anymore. So again, I encourage you to find things that will keep you busy. Don't ask for Ash. Chris is going to love this. Don't call, don't message Chris on a regular basis and say, hey, where's Ash? What's going on? What's going on with Victory with Ash? Chris has got a lot going on too, and we don't see all the things that he's doing behind the scenes. I believe Julie is in the same way. I do know Red and Susie and Chris, Julie, some of the other people that are bigger in this Victory with Ash. They're like the admins for, I believe, one of the groups, and they're constantly talking. Let them talk, but when we start berating for information, again, that's just to satisfy ourselves. Again, you need to find something to keep busy, and we also need to be encouraging to our circles and keep them from doing the same. So again, I don't want to be terribly long. Again, I hope you understand why I made this video. It's, again, we're leaders, and even if you're not a leader, you actually kind of are becoming a leader. There's things that you can do that will help potential followers for you, potential people that will be in your circle. Again, so I hope you understand. Like I said, I wanted to try to be brief, but I wanted to try to be positive too. I do enjoy the friendship that I've created with this, moving from the former company now to Victory with Ash. And again, I do ask, here's my plug. Again, I do ask that you subscribe to my channel. Please like if you like this video, and also please comment. I will try to respond back to you. Again, I do hope all you're doing well. Again, living in the States here, we've got a really terrible winter storm coming. Don't know how bad it's going to be. Potentially, I guess it starts Saturday, which would be, let's see, today's the 22nd, probably the 24th and 25th. I pray for everybody's power to stay on. I hope everybody's warm. I hope you all got food. I hope you all got gas in your cars. I just ask for safety and pray for this not to be such a bad storm as what they're calling for. But anyway, I do love you guys, and I hope that you enjoy watching my videos. And again, while we're waiting, come up with something creative. That's it. That's all I have to say. So I love you guys, and I'll talk to you again soon. Again, praying for everybody with this weather coming up. So take care wherever you're in the world. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. We will talk to you soon. Bye now.